My name is Judy, and the procedure I had with Dr. Casadaband is a lower arch supported dental implant. I had these metal things in my mouth. My bridge work was breaking. It was so old. It was done back in 1978. All my dentists recommended that it was time for me to do this, and I put it off as long as I could and decided, this is it. Well, I'm 80 years old. I mean, I had that since 26. Dr. Casadaband was recommended to me, and I made an appointment, got all the details. His staff was absolutely wonderful, and he did an excellent job of explaining to me what the procedure was, what he was going to do, how long it was going to take, what I could expect when I got home. Everything he told me was correct and I knew what to expect. I love my new teeth. I just couldn't believe it. I mean, they are perfect. Everything I was looking forward to came true.